Tell me Costco still has food.
Their pizza is like honestly one of the best pizzas I've ever had. So yeah, they still have food. They got hot dogs, they got pizza.
The chicken bake.
Costco stock has been up 6% since the Ukraine-Russia conflict started in late February. And you're probably like, how is that related? Well, what is Costco famously known for? Cheap gas prices. And that's probably one of the reasons why their stock performance has been much better than the overall markets. The overall markets are looking at, I've been pretty flat or maybe actually down. Costco's up 6-7%. There was a rumor going around that Costco might be raising membership prices. That gets investors super excited because higher membership prices means more money in Costco's bank. It also might result in a lot of signups right now. If people think that if the cost of the membership is going to increase in the near future, a lot of people might sign up right now, especially given that the high gas prices. Costco is like an immediate use right now. You can immediately save money. So Costco is kind of like the Amazon Prime before Amazon Prime existed. Their entire business is memberships. They have 111 million members. They had 74 million in 2014, so they've seen massive growth in the last 6-7 years. They make their money from membership, so that's what allows them to sell products and gas at loss, or at cost or at loss, because they're not banking on making profit margins from their products.
You mentioned a good point. They're trying to catch the Amazon Prime. Is the point to catch up to them and kind of offer more services, or just continue to catch up to them and maybe just increase price along the way? Because like you mentioned, they hit it big with the fact that they're in demand right now. Being domestic, everything is in demand. What could they possibly do with increased membership? Is there anything that they could do with it?
What they're really trying to do is give so much value, like where you can't find anything cheaper anywhere else, to where you have to come to Costco, to where that membership is so it just pays for itself.
One of the primary tenets of investing, it's like know your risk profile, know why you're investing, and then diversification. You also most of the time want diversification even globally, right? And so in this situation, it was beneficial for like Costco to have their eggs in mostly the domestic basket. I think that's an interesting implication, but it's really just a story that we have to keep watching.
Don't you love having a financial advisor part of the show? So
yeah,
helpful.
I know.
So helpful. Thank you, Delano. Costco, right? It's mostly a U.S. focused operation, which means less relative geopolitical risk to the stock price. So obviously that makes sense in that regards. But to challenge Zaid a little bit, our resident Costco stan, we have to remember the challenges, right? It's membership driven, as we kind of mentioned, and that actually it can be a hurdle. Small profit margins. It has no web business and that is not really developed. We have to remember some of those aspects. All right, Costco, really, really great. I mean, maybe I liked it more when I lived in Texas and it made sense. So for the most part, I mostly just miss those raspberry sundaes and some chicken bakes.
Yes, raspberry sundaes are crucial. Remember to like and subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell. See you tomorrow.